look at the top 2 deals at the depot for February 2023. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing. This is the newer pruning, or the it is 129. So we never seen it out of the box, so I thought I'd just show you guys. This is the clearance section, 100 lumen, $99. And then this one's the 400 lumen performance metal light, $15 down from $19. Digital tire pressure gauge, $5 down from $9.88. And then you got the safety glasses there. Alright, so safety glasses are $14. These are actually cheaper than the ones that are on sale right now at $20. $9 for the looks like some sort of precision rotary tool accessory. You got touch system case there, and then you got the 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries for $98. You got a 21 degree framing nailer, DeWalt 140 down from $279. So that's the way it looks in the clearance section here. You got the 2-pack of Diablo 7 1/4 24 framing circ saw, $12, and then you got this deadbolt electronic, $36 down from $47. And then you get a 50-pack of discs. Sanding, $19.88. Another energizer there for $21. Some hole dozer carbide teeth, $28.35, and then $12 for this jigsaw blade set. This is actually cheaper than the one that they're selling at the deal right now. $36 for this flash, that was $40. You got a 1 3/4 roofing coil nailer, and then you got looks like a brad nailer, well, straight finish nailer. And then you got the grease gun here, and you got the high torque impact wrench down to $3.59. I'm sure we're gonna see a lot of clearance, a lot of cheaper than those prices. You got a 5-inch variable speed disc sander, $99. From DeWalt, it is corded. Alright, so they got these. These are newer deals. This is a buy one, get one free. So you buy the M18 fuel, $3.99, you get a free 8 amp hour battery. Or you buy the 229 with the M12, you get a free 5 high output battery. You can buy the 6 and the 3 for $179, or the 2 3s for $149, or the 2 looks high output batteries, the 2.5s for $99. That is the 8 amp hour battery. That is the 2, the 6, and the 3, and then the 2 3s. That's actually not too bad. That's the $399 deal you have to buy, so you can get that 8 amp hour battery for free. Some more kits there. Buy this Milwaukee 2-tool combo kit for $229. Get yourself a free M12 battery for $119. I guess they ran out of those kits, and they have this impact wrench here. So it's not a bad impact wrench. It looks really nice. I do have the Gen 2, I believe. Yeah, that's the one I have. $169 for the DeWalt oscillating and hammer drill. So that's actually a pretty good kit. It does include a battery charger and a bag. You buy any of the tools on the top, you get one free 4 amp hour, or you can buy any of the tools on the top, any 2, get yourself 2 6 amp hour batteries. So there's a lot of good deals. There's an impact wrench, a ratchet, a hammer drill, circular saw, reciprocating saw, SDS Plus, barrel grip jigsaw. That is the 4 amp hour jigsaw and the ratchet. $169 for the free battery. Alright, same thing with the Milwaukee, but I'm not gonna go over it. Alright, so we got the M12. Get yourself a free high output 5 amp hour battery if you would to purchase any of these kits. That's the one-handed reciprocating saw for $189. Installation driver or the impact driver drill driver for $229. Got the miter saw down to 342, down from 379. It's a 12-inch dual bevel miter saw from Rigid. So that's pretty nice. Some discount on this. They got one left. And they got this buy one, get one free. You buy a Makita combo kit, $279. Get yourself a customer choice of a tool for $169. So you buy any of these, you get yourself a free tool. Either buy the $239 or the $279. Obviously, the $279 is going to be the better one. Just the better tool. You choose from that ratchet, the oscillating tool, the reciprocating saw, the angle grinder, the job site speaker, the inflator. So a bunch of good deals there on that. $947 for the 2-pack of 9-inch pruning wood. And then you got the nail embedded wood. And then you got the general purpose carbide. Alright, so these are the blades here at the bottom. I got another blade kit here, $15.97 for the 6-piece. Does include a blade holder. $17.97 for the 10-piece saw blade. Like I told you guys, this is more expensive than the one that's on the clearance. $54 for the 2-pack of 44 tooth general purpose miter saw blades. 44 tooth. Got the aviation snips, different right cutting, left cutting, and straight. $29.88 for the hammer, fiberglass hammer. So that is the set there. $229. You buy a 23 gauge pin nailer and you get yourself a free battery. That's pretty nice. Same thing with this one. You buy that. Yeah, it's not at this store, but yeah, in some stores there it's still up. You buy a vacuum and get a free accessory. And they got the air tip pivoting extension, and then you got the brush. I bought the one that has the brush. I still haven't used it yet. I still have to use it. And then the safety glasses are cheaper at the clearance section if you guys see it. They're done to $14. You got the buy more, save more. So obviously, you guys do have to mix and match to get that $350 or that $550 price. You guys are going to save the most. So you guys have to mix and match. You guys can do it online. And then you guys are going to save $175 after that $550. $450 is going to get you $100, and $350 is going to get you $50. And I got $119 your choice of these 3 amp hour 2-pack. And then same thing with these. They do qualify for the buy more save more. Alright, and you got the 12-volt compact bandsaw, the die grinder, the ratchet, high-speed ratchet, stubby impact wrench, $199 a piece. And then same thing with these. These do qualify for the buy more save more. That is the starter kit. $199 for the hammer drill, the impact driver, the surge, and the reciprocating saw, red helix. The impact wrench, the mid torque, that's the one that I have. The high torque impact wrench, and the rotary hammer. As a matter of fact, I just got that rotary hammer, so but this deal. Got the buy more save more, same thing with the Ryobis. But check this out, this one's new. Never seen this before. But yeah, look at the price, $199. It is the 3-tool combo kit. It does come with the Ryobi box, tow system box, or the Ryobi pack out box, what they call it. So it does come with the reciprocating saw, drill, and impact driver. So same thing with this. You buy $299, save $100. You buy $249, save $70. You got the 4-mode impact wrench for $189. A reciprocating saw, circular saw, jigsaw, and angle grinder. So all those are brushless tools. All those are HP, top of the line by Joby. That is the jigsaw, angle grinder. Then the accessories, oscillating blade assortments set, $49. Multi-tool, the one-handed reciprocating saw. the cutoff tool, a router, caulk gun, adhesive gun, and a starter kit. And then you got the starter kit there at the bottom. $2.99 for the 6.2 combo kit. $149. And then $29 for the 95 piece. Which I think they're trash, by the way. Well, I haven't used the new ones, but the old ones, they are trash. And then this is a brad nailer for $189. I do personally own the older. I'll show you guys right now. The older one's much cheaper. That's the inflator for $69.97. Impact driver drill drive for $179, and then you got the hammer drill for $189. Some accessories there. And I got some batteries, a 6 amp hour for $159 too. Alright, so you got this section here. $400. It's down to $400. This is the holiday deal they had going on. With the Tough System 2.0. And I believe some of these are flexible tools. You got the nailer. It's a 21-degree nailer. Got a table saw 360 down from $399. So that's the way it looks. I do apologize for my voice. I'm not feeling the greatest, by the way. I'm just trying to get this video done as quick as possible so I can just get some rest. This is the nailer that I got. That's down to $99. I believe Direct Tools Outlet has all these deals all the time. So if you need nailer, you can get that. The circular saw for $44 down from $49. Got a rotary tool for $99. And some holiday deals that they had over the holidays. So they got a dust buster here for $79. Yeah, it's a vacuum kit. Hammer drill with two high output batteries. 128 down from 159. And then there's the kit again with the case. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.